In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display news on a TradingView chart. This feature is incredibly useful for traders and investors alike, as it allows you to combine technical analysis with up-to-date news insights directly on your chart. This integration can help you make better informed trading decisions by keeping you aware of the latest market-moving headlines while you're analyzing your favorite assets. So, let's dive right in and see how to get this set up. First, head over to the TradingView website. If you don't have an account yet, you might want to create one to unlock the platform's full potential. However, for this demonstration, having a basic account will suffice, since the feature we are going to explore is part of the standard toolkit available to all users. Once you've logged in, navigate to your preferred chart. Whether you're following stocks, forex, or cryptocurrency, TradingView offers a wide range of options to suit your trading needs. Now that you have your chart ready, your next task is to locate a circular icon on the chart interface. This icon plays a crucial role in enabling the news feature. It's designed to be user-friendly, and it's quite intuitive to find, normally positioned around the top part of your chart screen, alongside other charting tools and settings icons. Once you've spotted it, go ahead and click on it. Clicking on this icon will either enable or disable various chart functions, including the one for displaying news directly on your chart. This feature is particularly beneficial because it allows you to see relevant headlines that could impact your chosen asset or the market sentiment overall. Now, let's briefly talk about a few tips that can enhance your TradingView experience while using this news feature. Remember, not every piece of news will be relevant to your trading strategy, so try to tailor which news categories you wish to display. You can usually adjust this within the newsfeed settings. You might opt to focus on economic indicators, company earnings reports, or geopolitical events, depending on your trading focus and asset preferences. Furthermore, aligning the news time zone with your local time or the market's time zone you're interested in can make it even easier to keep tabs on the relevant stories unfolding in real time. By following these steps, you can effectively display up-to-date news directly on your TradingView charts, giving you the tools to integrate fundamental research with technical analysis seamlessly. This fusion of information allows you to remain agile in your trading strategy and responsive to news that can affect market conditions within minutes. As always, practice caution and continually adapt your strategies based on new information. Thank you for joining me today as we explored how to show news on your TradingView chart. Keep those charts updated and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful trading tips and tutorials. Happy trading!